Today we are talking about dishwasher maintenance. So you want to do an overall visual inspection of your dishwasher. Check the float switch, make sure it freely moves up and down, nothing's stuck underneath. Visually inspect the electric heating element, make sure it's not badly corroded. Check the spray arm, make sure the holes are not plugged with food debris. Check the screen and the filter. Every dishwasher is a little bit different, but basically you should be able to take it apart, visually inspect it, wipe it off, rinse it out. And just remember how you took it apart so you can put it back together. You can see there's a tiny bit of debris in there, it needs to be cleaned out. Overall, this one doesn't look too bad. There's the water pump. Inspect down inside there, make sure there's not a lot of debris or gunk. When you run your dishwasher, you can also put in some white vinegar. And white vinegar will help clean and disinfect and deodorize your dishwasher. If you have hard water spots on your glasses all the time, you may want to double check that your rinse aid is full. Here on the right hand side of the screen, you can see you just lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, loosen that round cap and fill it with a liquid rinse aid, Jet Dry or any other brand, Cascade, etc. Rinse aids act as a drying aid. Instead of water sticking to the surface of your dishes, the rinse aid contains surfactants that lower the surface tension of the water, so the water rolls off of the dishes instead of sticking to the surface of the dishes. Rinse aids are especially beneficial if you have hard water. So if your dishwasher doesn't seem to be washing well or drying well, these are some simple things to check. Make sure that filter is cleaned out. Check your rinse aid, make sure that stays full. Check your door seals, visual inspection of everything, and make sure you're loading the dishwasher properly, not overloading it, and not blocking the center opening where the spray arm extends up to clean both levels of your dishwasher. Some dishwashers have a rotating spray arm on top. Again, make sure that's not clogged or blocked. And ideally, you want to really check your filter and your pump sump, every few months, a few times a year. Always consult your owner's manual for the proper maintenance for your dishwasher. I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.